Alright, so today we're looking at this gorgeous, beautiful weed eater. Now, this is a Ryobi, at least that's what I think. It's complete cold. We're gonna do a cold start. So, look, everything. Touching the exhaust, touching the spark plug, everything. It's cold. Okay? So, we're gonna do, see the bubble right here. We're gonna pump that at least 4 times at the most. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it's cold. So, yeah, let's go. What the heck was that? And yeah, I just put new string in it, and now it's warm. And with the 2-stroke, and it does have a safety feature where you just push that down, and yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And
make sure to share this video.
Yeah, like you said, make sure to share the video.
And if you want a face reveal from me, get him to 100 subscribers.
Yeah, so as you can hear, if you want a face reveal of the cameraman, just get me to 100 followers, and we can sure do that.
Subscribers.
I meant subscribers, my bad.
You're into TikTok.
And if you didn't, just go follow my TikTok, StokeTwins123. Okay, see you later. Bye. Guys.